table book. Numbers, number names and Roman numerals. Number, number names, Hindi, Roman. 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6 7 7 8 8 9 9 10 10 11 11 12 12 13 13 14 14 15 15 16 16 17 17 18 18 19 19 20 20 21 21 22 22 23 23 24 24 25 25 26 26 27 27 28 28 29 29 30 30 31 31 32 32 33 33 34 34 35 35 36 36 37 37 38 38 39 39 40 40 41 41 42 42 43 43 44 44 45 45 46 46 47 47 48 48 49 49 50 50. Teachers note: introduce students to the Roman numerals with their number names. Kids IQ 1. How to write 41 in number name? 2. What is the number name of 17? 3. How do you call 5 in Hindi or your mother language? Number names Hindi 51 51 52 52 53 53 54 54 55 55 56 56 57 57 58 58 59 59 60 60 61 61 62 62 63 63 64 64 65 65 66 66 67 67 68 68 69 69 70 70 71 71 72 72 73 73 74 74 75 75 76 76 77 77 78 78 79 79 80 80 81 81 82 बयासी 83 तिरासी 84 चौरासी 85 पचासी 86 छियासी 87 सतासी 88 अट्ठासी 89 नवासी 90 नब्बे 91 इक्यानवे 92 बानवे 93 तिरानवे 94 चौरानवे 95 पचानवे 96 छियानवे 97 सत्तानवे 98 अट्ठानवे 99 निन्यानवे 100 100 Kids IQ. How to write 59 in number name? What is the number name of 87? How do you call 9 in Hindi or your mother tongue? Multiplying with 0 and 1. Multiplication is the repeated addition of the same number. If a number is multiplied by 0, the result will also be 0. Let us read the table of 0. 0 ones are 0. 0 twos are 0. 0 threes are 0. 0 fours are 0. 0 fives are 0. 0 6 are 0. 0 sevens are 0. 0 eights are 0. 0 nines are 0. 0 tens are 0. Any number when multiplied by 1 will give the same number. Let us read the table of 1. 1 ones are 1. 1 twos are 2. 1 threes are 3. 1 fours are 4. 1 fives are 5. 1 six are 6. 1 sevens are 7. 1 eights are 8. 1 nine are 9. 1 tens are 10. Time to practice. Fill answers in the boxes. 1 tens are 10. 1 ones are 1. 1 six are 6. 0 eights are 0. 1 nines are 9. 0 sevens are 0. 0 threes are 0. 1 fives are 5. 0 twos are 0. Teacher's note. Introduce students to the concept of multiplying with the 0 and 1 and explain them with a fun activity. Kids IQ. What comes up if you add 4 with 0? What comes up if you add 0 to 0? What's the solution of 8 minus 0? Multiplication table of 2. Reading way. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 six are 12. 2 sevens are 14. 2 eights are 16. 2 nines are 18. 2 tens are 20. Writing way. 2 into 1 is equals to 2. 2 into 2 is equals to 4. 2 into 3 is equals to 6. 2 into 4 is equals to 8. 2 into 5 is equals to 10. 2 into 6 is equals to 12. 2 into 7 is equals to 14. 2 into 8 is equals to 16. 2 into 9 is equals to 18. 2 into 10 is equals to 20. Time to practice. Fill the answers in the boxes. 2 into 10 is equals to 20. 2 into 6 is equals to 12. 2 into 9 is equals to 18. 2 into 3 is equals to 6. 2 into 1 is equals to 2. Write the table of 2 in ascending order on the caterpillar. 1 has been done for you. Teacher's note. To find the total product of the multiplication table of 2, help students to use 2 fingers on each hand and do the addition. Kids IQ. What comes up if we add 2 twice? What is the answer for 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4? What comes up if you add 4 times 0? Multiplication table of 3. Reading way. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. 3 six are 18. 3 sevens are 21. 3 eights are 24. 3 nines are 27. 3 tens are 30. Writing way. 3 into 1 is equals to 3. 3 into 2 is equals to 6. 3 into 3 is equals to 9. 3 into 4 is equals to 12. 3 into 5 is equals to 15. 3 into 6 is equals to 18. 3 into 7 is equals to 21. 3 into 8 is equals to 24. 3 into 9 is equals to 27. 3 into 10 is equals to 30. Time to practice. Fill the answers in the boxes. 3 into 6 is equals to 18. 3 into 6 is equals to 18. 3 into 7 is equals to 21. 3 into 4 is equals to 12. 3 into 1 is equals to 3. 3 into 2 is equals to 6. Write the table of 3 in ascending order on the flowers. Teacher's note. To find the total product of the multiplication table of 3, ask students to use 3 fingers on each hand and do the addition. Kids IQ. What comes up if we add 3 twice? What is the answer for 3 plus 3 plus 3? What comes up if you add 3 times 0? Multiplication table of 4. Reading way. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. 4 sixes are 24. 4 sevens are 28. 4 eights are 32. 4 nines are 36. 4 tens are 40. Writing way. 4 into 1 is equals to 4. 4 into 2 is equals to 8. 4 into 3 is equals to 12. 4 into 4 is equals to 16. 4 into 5 is equals to 20. 4 into 6 is equals to 24. 4 into 7 is equals to 28. 4 into 8 is equals to 32. 4 into 9 is equals to 36. 4 into 10 is equals to 40. Time to practice. Fill the answers in the boxes. 4 into 9 is equals to 4 into 6 is equals to 4 into 10 is equals to 4 into 5 is equals to 4 into 4 is equals to 4 into 1 is equals to. Write the table of 4 in ascending order on the kites. Kids IQ. What comes up if we add 4 twice? What is the answer for 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1? What comes up if you add 4 0 times? Teacher's note. Explain to students how to skip counting and start with the number they are counting by and then continue to add the same number such as 4, 8, 12, 16. Multiplication. Table of 5. Reading way. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 six are 30. 5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 40. 5 nines are 45. 5 tens are 50. Writing way. 5 into 1 is equals to 5. 5 into 2 is equals to 10. 5 into 3 is equals to 15. 5 into 4 is equals to 20. 5 into 5 is equals to 25. 5 into 6 is equals to 30. 5 into 7 is equals to 35. 5 into 8 is equals to 40. 5 into 9 is equals to 45. 5 into 10 is equals to 50. Time to practice. Fill answers in the boxes. 5 into 6 is equals to. 5 into 4 is equals to. 5 into 10 is equals to. 5 into 5 is equals to. 5 into 7 is equals to. 5 into 9 is equals to. Write the table of 5 in ascending order on the pomegranates. Kids IQ. What comes up if we add 5 twice? What is the answer for 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5? What comes up if we add 5 0 times? Teacher's note: if students seem not to count after 5 on fingers, support and motivate them to draw lines on their notebook and then continue to add, that is 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equals to 15. Multiplication table of 6. Match the answer decoder to the box and check your answer to the multiplication table of 6. 6 into 1 is equals to 3, 6, 9. 6 into 2 is equals to 13, 17, 12. 6 into 3 is equals to 18, 20, 21. 6 into 4 is equals to 23, 24, 19. 6 into 5 is equals to 25, 49, 30. 6 into 6 is equals to 36, 20, 17. 6 into 7 is equals to 77, 42, 79. 6 into 8 is equals to 48, 80, 91. 6 into 9 is equals to 55, 54, 87. 6 into 10 is equals to 92, 72, 60. Time to practice. Fill answers in the boxes. 6 into 8 is equals to 6 into 10 is equals to 6 into 5 is equals to 6 into 2 is equals to 6 into 7 is equals to Kids IQ. What comes up if we add 6 twice? What is the answer for 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6? What comes up if you add 6 0 times? Teacher's note: let students explore more and help them to multiply greater numbers on fingers and draw lines on their sheets. Multiplication table of 7. 7 into 1 is equals to 7. 7 into 2 is equals to 14. 7 into 3 is equals to 21. 7 into 4 is equals to 28. 7 into 5 is equals to 35. 7 into 6 is equals to 42. 7 into 7 is equals to 49. 7 into 8 is equals to 56. 7 into 9 is equals to 63. 7 into 10 is equals to 70. Time to practice. Fill answers in the boxes. 7 into 2 is equals to 7 into 9 is equals to 7 into 6 is equals to 7 into 4 is equals to 7 into 8 is equals to 7 into 5 is equals to 7 into 3 is equals to. Write the table of 7 in ascending order on the toffees. Kids IQ. What comes up if we add 7 thrice? What is the answer for 7 plus 7 plus 7? What comes up if you add 7 0 times? Teacher's note: help students to learn tables in an easy way by putting up surprise quizzes. Multiplication table of 8. Match the answer decoder to the box and check your answers to the multiplication table of 8. 8 into 1 is equal to 8. 8 into 2 is equal to 18. 8 into 3 is equal to 24. 8 into 4 is equal to 32. 8 into 5 is equal to 40. 8 into 6 is equal to 48. 8 into 7 is equal to 56. 8 into 8 is equal to 64. 8 into 9 is equal to 72. 8 into 10 is equal to 80. Time to practice. Fill answers in the boxes. 8 into 2 is equal to 16. 8 into 3 is equal to 24. 8 into 10 is equal to 80. 8 into 9 is equal to 72. 8 into 7 is equal to 56. 8 into 5 is equal to 40. Kids IQ. What comes up if we add 8 twice? What is the answer for 8 plus 8? What comes up if you add 8 0 times? Teacher's note: allow children to practice more by giving them random exercises. Multiplication table of 9. 9 into 1 is equal to 9. 9 into 2 is equal to 18. 9 into 3 is equal to 27. 9 into 4 is equal to 36. 9 into 5 is equal to 45. 9 into 6 is equal to 54. 9 into 7 is equal to 63. 9 into 8 is equal to 72. 9 into 9 is equal to 81. 9 into 10 is equal to 19. Time to practice. A. Fill answers in the boxes. 9 into 3 is equal to 27. 9 into 9 is equal to 81. 9 into 6 is equal to 54. 9 into 5 is equal to 45. 9 into 8 is equal to 72. 9 into 10 is equal to 90. 9 into 2 is equal to 18. Kids IQ. What comes up if we add 9 twice? What is the answer for 9 plus 9 plus 9? What comes up if you add 9 0 times? Write the table of 9 in ascending order on the footballs. Teacher's note: help children to connect and recognize the relationship between numbers such as 9 plus 9 is equal to 18, but 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 18 too, and explain the reason. Multiplication table of 10. Match the answer decoder to the box and check your answers to the multiplication table of 10. 10 into 1 is equal to 18, 10, 21, 10. 10 into 2 is equal to 20, 98, 16. 20. 10 into 3 is equal to 48, 69, 30. 30. 10 into 4 is equal to 70, 40, 79. 40. 10 into 5 is equal to 50, 19, 88. 50. 10 into 6 is equal to 26, 23, 60. 60. 10 into 7 is equal to 97, 70, 99. 70. 10 into 8 is equal to 77, 61, 80. 80. 10 into 9 is equal to 85, 90, 99. 90. 10 into 10 is equals to 100, 105, 111. 100. Time to practice. Fill answers in the boxes. 10 into 8 is equals to 80. 10 into 10 is equals to 100. 10 into 1 is equals to 10. 10 into 7 is equals to 70. 10 into 5 is equals to 50. 10 into 2 is equals to 20. Kids IQ, what's the answer for 10 plus 10? What comes up if you add 10 0 times? Teacher's note: make students practice more by using illustrations such as using balls or pens or any smaller object. Activity time. A. Match the correct multiplication numerals with answers. One has been done for you. 6 into 5, 7 into 5, 8 into 4, 6 into 5, 7 into 8, 9 into 9, 81, 56, 18, 30, 35, 32. B. Fill answers in the boxes. 6 into 6 is equals to 10 into 8 is equals to 6 into 9 is equals to 8 into 9 is equals to 9 into 2 is equals to 7 into 6 is equals to. Kids IQ, what comes up if we multiply 5 into 2? What is the answer for 6 into 2? What comes up if you multiply 10 with 0? Teacher's note: help children to multiply greater numbers correctly with the help of cartoons. C. Fill the boxes with correct number. 6 into 7 is equals to 8 into 4 is equals to 9 into 6 is equals to 7 into 5 is equals to 10 into 3 is equals to 8 into 2 is equals to 10 into 6 is equals to 9 into 8 is equals to. Kids IQ, what is the answer for 10 plus 10? What comes up if you multiply 10 with 6? Teacher's note: ask students to make a chart of tables in a chart paper. D. Fill answers in the boxes. 10 into 7 is equals to 7 into 9 is equals to 9 into 5 is equals to 8 into 2 is equals to 6 into 8 is equals to 8 into 7 is equals to. Multiplication table of 11 and 12. 11 into 1 is equals to 11. 11 into 2 is equals to 22. 11 into 3 is equal to 33. 11 into 4 is equals to 44. 11 into 5 is equals to 55. 11 into 6 is equals to 66. 11 into 7 is equals to 77. 11 into 8 is equals to 88. 11 into 9 is equals to 99. 11 into 10 is equals to 110. 12 into 1 is equals to 12. 12 into 2 is equals to 24. 12 into 3 is equals to 36. 12 into 4 is equals to 48. 12 into 5 is equals to 60. 12 into 6 is equals to 72. 12 into 7 is equals to 84. 12 into 8 is equals to 96. 12 into 9 is equals to 108. 12 into 10 is equals to 120. Time to practice. Fill answers in the boxes. 11 into 7 is equals to 11 into 2 is equals to 11 into 6 is equals to 12 into 3 is equals to 12 into 8 is equals to 12 into 4 is equals to. Kids IQ, what comes up if we add 10 thrice? What is the answer for 10 plus 10? What comes up if you multiply 7 with 0? Teacher's note: ask children to recall table of different number. Activity time. A. Match the correct multiplication numerals with answers. One has been done for you. 12 into 2, 11 into 8, 84, 99. 12 into 4, 11 into 9, 24, 48. 12 into 7, 11 into 6, 88, 66. Kids IQ. What comes up if we add 11 thrice? What is the answer for 10 plus 10? What comes up if you multiply 4 with 3? Teacher's note. Show them the pattern between the numbers 3, 4 and 12. B. Write the table of 11 in ascending order on the mangoes. Multiplication table of 13. Match the answer decoder to the box and check your answers to the 13 times table. 13 into 1 is equal to 18, 13, 14. 13. 13 into 2 is equal to 25, 29, 26. 26. 13 into 3 is equal to 39, 72, 91. 39. 13 into 4 is equal to 97, 52, 68. 52. 13 into 5 is equal to 99, 52, 65. 65. 13 into 6 is equal to 78, 18, 79. 79. 13 into 7 is equal to 29, 91, 21. 91. 13 into 8 is equal to 104, 198, 28. 104. 13 into 9 is equal to 106, 117, 192. 117. 13 into 10 is equal to 153, 168, 130. 130. Time to practice. Fill answers in the boxes. 13 into 8 is equal to 13 into 9 is equal to 13 into 2 is equal to 13 into 10 is equal to 13 into 5 is equal to 13 into 7 is equal to Kids IQ. What comes up if we add 13 thrice? What is the answer for 10 plus 3? What comes up if you multiply 8 with 0? Teacher's note. Let children practice more by scheduling formatives. Multiplication table of 14. Match the answer decoder to the box and check your answers to the 14 times table. 14 into 1 is equal to 97, 14, 19. 14. 14 into 2 is equal to 28, 32, 49. 28. 14 into 3 is equal to 26, 41, 42. 42. 14 into 4 is equal to 19, 56, 59. 56. 14 into 5 is equal to 70, 68, 92. 70. 14 into 6 is equal to 21, 27, 84. 84. 14 into 7 is equal to 12, 98, 18. 98. 14 into 8 is equal to 108, 121, 112. 112. 14 and 9. 14 into 9 is equal to 129, 126, 142. 126. 14 into 10 is equal to 140, 118, 130. 140. Time to practice. Fill answers in the boxes. 14 into 5 is equal to 14 into 3 is equal to 14 into 9 is equal to 14 into 10 is equal to 14 into 1 is equal to 14 into 6 is equal to Kids IQ. What is the answer for 10 plus 4? What comes up if you multiply 0 with 0? Teacher's note. For different activities, ask children to prepare a rhyme on numbers. Multiplication table of 15 and 16. 15 into 1 is equals to 15. 15 into 2 is equals to 30. 15 into 3 is equals to 45. 15 into 4 is equals to 60. 15 into 5 is equals to 75. 15 into 6 is equals to 90. 15 into 7 is equals to 105. 15 into 8 is equals to 120. 15 into 9 is equals to 135. 15 into 10 is equals to 150. 16 into 1 is equals to 16. 16 into 2 is equals to 32. 16 into 3 is equals to 48. 16 into 4 is equals to 64. 16 into 5 is equals to 80. 16 into 6 is equals to 96. 16 into 7 is equals to 112. 16 into 8 is equals to 128. 16 into 9 is equals to 144. 16 into 10 is equals to 160. Time to practice. Fill answers in the boxes. 15 into 8 is equals to 15 into 5 is equals to 15 into 3 is equals to 16 into 6 is equals to 16 into 4 is equals to 16 into 9 is equals to kids IQ. What is the answer for 15 into 2? What comes up if you multiply 6 with 7? Teacher's note: show children the relationship between 2, 4, 8 and 16. Activity time. A. Multiply the numbers by center number. Kids IQ. What comes up if you multiply 7 with 0? What is the answer of 14 into 2? B. Fill answers in the boxes. 16 into 6 is equals to 16 into 7 is equals to 16 into 8 is equals to 16 into 4 is equals to 16 into 2 is equals to 16 into 9 is equals to. Teacher's note: prepare a game with a wheel consisting of 2 sections with different numbers and each student to spin it. Whatever the 2 numbers come, they have to multiply and answer it. Multiplication table of 17. Match the answer decoder to the box and check your answer to the 17 times table. 17 into 1 is equals to 6. 17, 9. 17. 17 into 2 is equals to 34, 36, 31. 34. 17 into 3 is equals to 33, 98, 51. 51. 17 into 4 is equals to 72, 68, 85. 68. 17 into 5 is equals to 85, 108, 67. 85. 17 into 6 is equals to 97, 120, 102. 102. 17 into 7 is equals to 107, 119, 190. 119. 17 into 8 is equals to 129, 168, 136. 136. 17 into 9 is equals to 171, 153, 192. 153. 17 into 10 is equals to 170, 200, 199. 170. Time to practice. Fill answers in the boxes. 17 into 2 is equals to 17 into 9 is equals to 17 into 1 is equals to 17 into 10 is equals to 17 into 7 is equals to 17 into 5 is equals to. Kids IQ. What comes up if we add 17 thrice? What is the answer for 10 plus 7? What comes up if you multiply 0 with 7? Teacher's note: introduce students with the table of 17 and its pattern. Multiplication table of 18. Match the answer decoder to the box and check your answer to the 18 times table. 18 into 1 is equals to 19, 18, 15. 18. 18 into 2 is equals to 22, 39, 36. 36. 18 into 3 is equals to 54, 22, 88. 54. 18 into 4 is equals to 118, 72, 180. 72. 18 into 5 is equals to 70, 65, 90. 90. 18 into 6 is equals to 108, 159, 163. 108. 18 into 7 is equals to 185, 126, 102. 126. 18 into 8 is equals to 144, 142, 129. 144. 18 into 9 is equals to 177, 162, 192. 162. 18 into 10 is equals to 173, 155, 180. 180. Time to practice. Fill answers in the boxes. 18 into 2 is equals to 18 into 9 is equals to 18 into 7 is equals to 18 into 3 is equals to 18 into 10 is equals to 18 into 6 is equals to kids IQ. What comes up if we add 18 thrice? What's the answer for 10 plus 8? What comes up if you multiply 5 with 6? Teacher's note. Show them the relationship between 2, 3, 6 and 9. Multiplication table of 19 and 20. 19 into 1 is equals to 19. 19 into 2 is equals to 38. 19 into 3 is equals to 57. 19 into 4 is equals to 76. 19 into 5 is equals to 95. 19 into 6 is equals to 114. 19 into 7 is equals to 133. 19 into 8 is equals to 152. 19 into 9 is equals to 171. 19 into 10 is equals to 190. 20 into 1 is equals to 20. 20 into 2 is equals to 40. 20 into 3 is equals to 60. 20 into 4 is equals to 80. 20 into 5 is equals to 100. 20 into 6 is equals to 120. 20 into 7 is equals to 140. 20 into 8 is equals to 160. 20 into 9 is equals to 180. 20 into 10 is equals to 200. Time to practice. Fill answers in the boxes. 19 into 5 is equals to 20 into 10 is equals to 19 into 5 is equals to 19 into 8 is equals to 20 into 9 is equals to 20 into 6 is equals to kids IQ. What comes up if we add 19 thrice? What is the answer for 10 plus 9? What comes up if you multiply 7 with 6? Teacher's note. Show them the relation between 2, 4, 5 and 10. Activity time. A. Match the correct multiplication numerals with answers. One has been done for you. 19 into 6, 20 into 9, 19 into 8, 152, 114, 180, 140, 60, 171. 20 into 3, 19 into 9, 20 into 7. B. Write the table of 19 in ascending order on the balloons. Kids IQ. What comes up if we multiply 9 to 3? What is the answer for 10 into 10? What comes up if you multiply 4 with 6? Teacher's note. Let children practice more by providing them more exercises. Ask children to observe picture and speak about objects. Multiplication table of 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 3 by 4. 1 by 4 time table. 1 by 2 time table. 3 by 4 time table. Time to practice. Fill answers in the boxes. Kids IQ. What is the numerator 7 by 8? What is the denominator in 9 by 3? Teacher's note. Introduce children with the multiplication table of fraction. Multiplication table of 1, 1 by 4, 1, 1 by 2, 2, 1 by 2. 1, 1 by 4 times table. 1, 1 by 2 times table. 2, 1 by 2 times table. Time to practice. Fill answers in the boxes. Kids IQ. Divide 27 by 9. Solve 56 by 8. Solve 108 by 9. Do you find timetable easy to learn? Teachers note: help children to practice the sums based on the multiplication and division of fractions. The number system: even numbers. Any number which is divisible by 2 is known as an even number. Given below are even numbers from 1 to 100. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92, 94, 96, 98 and 100. Odd numbers. The number which is not divisible by 2 is called an odd number. Given below are odd numbers from 1 to 100. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25, 27, 29, 31, 33, 35, 37, 39, 41, 43, 45, 47, 49, 51, 53, 55, 57, 59, 61, 63, 65, 67, 69, 71, 73, 75, 77, 79, 81, 83, 85, 87, 89, 91, 93, 95, 97 and 99. Prime numbers. Prime numbers are the numbers that are only divisible by itself or by 1. Given below are prime numbers from 1 to 100. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67. Kids IQ. Which number is your favorite from 0 to 9? On which date your birthday falls? Teacher's note: explain the concept of even, odd and prime numbers in the number system. Place value chart. Two systems of numeration are followed. One is the Indian system followed in our country and the other is the international system followed worldwide. Indian: 1, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakh, 1 crore, 10 crore, 1 Arab, 10 Arab, 1 kharab, 10 kharab. International: 1, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, 1 million, 10 million, 100 million, 1 billion, 10 billion, 100 billion, 1 trillion. Kids IQ. What is at the tens place in 23? What is at the tens place in 563? What is at the ones place in 276? Teacher's note: introduce the Indian as well as international system of place value. Learning to tell the time. Time is an indefinite period. Time goes on running endlessly. We measure time in seconds, minutes, hours, days, weeks, months and years. Look at the picture of the clock. It has two hands. The long hand, minute hand, shows minutes and the short hand, hour hand, shows hours. This clock is showing 5 o'clock. The hour hand is at 5 and the minute hand is at 12. Kids IQ. On which month your birthday falls? On which day your favorite cartoon is telecasted? How old are you? When the long hand is on 12, it says 12 o'clock. When the long hand is on 3, it says quarter past. When the long hand is on 6, it says half past. When the long hand is on 9, it says quarter to. There are 60 minutes in 1 hour. There are 60 seconds in 1 minute. There are 24 hours in a day. 12 o'clock at night is called midnight. 12 o'clock in the day is called noon or midday. In short, we denote seconds as S, minutes as M and hours as H. Time to practice. Draw hands on the face of each clock according to the time given below. Quarter past 12, 4 o'clock, half past 10, quarter to 2. Teacher's note: Allow them to explore more about the different periods of time. Time: 60 seconds is equals to 1 minute. 60 minutes is equals to 1 hour. 24 hours is equals to 1 day. 7 days is equals to 1 week. 2 weeks is equals to 1 fortnight. 4 weeks is equals to 1 month. 12 months is equals to 1 year. 365 days is equals to 1 year. 366 days is equals to 1 leap year. 10 years is equals to 1 decade. 100 years is equals to 1 century. Months of year: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Jubilee table: 1 year, anniversary. 10 years, decade. 25 years, silver jubilee. 50 years, golden jubilee. 60 years, diamond jubilee. 75 years, platinum jubilee. 100 years, century. 1000 years, millennium. Time to practice: 1 minute is equals to dash seconds. 1 hour is equals to dash minutes. 1 day is equals to dash hours. 1 week is equals to dash days. 1 year is equals to dash months. 1 century is equals to dash years. Kids IQ: what is time right now? How many minutes does it take to come to school from home? Which hand runs faster in the clock? Teacher's note: explain the concept of time to the students. Measures: length measures: 10 millimeters is equals to 1 centimeter. 10 centimeters is equals to 1 decimeter. 10 decimeters is equals to 1 meter. 10 meters is equals to 1 decameter. 10 decameters is equals to 1 hectometer. 10 hectometers is equals to 1 kilometer. 1 meter is equals to 10 dm is equals to 100 cm is equals to 1000 mm. 1 kilometer is equals to 10 hm is equals to 100 dam is equals to 1000 m. Capacity measures: 10 milliliters is equals to 1 centiliter. 10 centiliters is equals to 1 deciliter. 10 deciliters is equals to 1 liter. 10 liters is equals to 1 decaliter. 10 decaliters is equals to 1 hectoliter. 10 hectoliters is equals to 1 kiloliter. 1 L is equals to 10 dl is equals to 100 cl is equals to 1000 ml. 1 kl is equals to 10 hl is equals to 100 dal is equals to 1000 l. Kids IQ: how heavy is your bag? What is your weight? How tall is your friend? Teacher's note: tell the different tools that are used to measure different objects. Weight measures: 10 milligrams is equals to 1 centigram. 10 centigrams is equals to 1 decigram. 10 decigrams is equals to 1 gram. 10 grams is equals to 1 decagram. 10 decagrams is equals to 1 hectogram. 10 hectograms is equals to 1 kilogram. 10 kilogram is equals to 1 myriagram. 10 myriagrams is equals to 1 quintal. 1 G is equals to 10 dg is equals to 100 cg is equals to 1000 mg. 1 ton is equals to 10 QL is equals to 100 MYG is equals to 1000 kg. 1 kg is equals to 10 Hg is equals to 100 DAG is equals to 1000 G. 1 QL is equals to 100 kg. Teacher's note: elucidate the concept of measurements and how things or objects are measured. Kids IQ: do you know how wish anything? How far is your home from your school? How tall are you? The Indian currency. The currency in India is called rupee and paisa. We use coins and notes to buy and sell things. The abbreviated form of rupee is R and paisa is P. Coins. In India, we use the following coins in old times: 1 paisa, 2 paise, 3 paise, 5 paise, 10 paise and 20 paise are not used today. Nowadays, the following coins are used. 25 paise and 50 paise coins are rarely used. Notes: 1 rupee, 2 rupees and 5 rupees are rarely used today. Teacher's note: explain the different denominations on Indian currency. Kids IQ: what is the color of a 10 rupees note? What is the color of the 50 rupees note? Currencies of the world. Country, currency. India, rupee is equals to 100 paise. Nepal, rupee Nepali is equals to 100 paise. Myanmar, kyat 100 pyais. Bangladesh, taka is equals to 100 paise. China, yuan 100 fens. Denmark, krone 100 ors. Egypt, pound 100 piastres. Finland, euro 100 cents. Germany, euro 100 cents. France, euro 100 cents. Greece, euro 100 cents. Iraq, dinar 100 fields. Iran, real 100 dinars. Indonesia, rupiah 100 sen. Japan, yen 100 sen. Pakistan, rupee 100 paise. Russia, ruble 100 kopecks. UK, pound 100 pence. UAE, dirham 100 fields. USA, dollar 100 cents. Kids IQ: how much does your pen cost? If 1 banana is for 2 rupees, 5 bananas will cost for. You had 50 rupees and you spent 27. How much money is left with you now? Teacher's note: let students explore the world by introducing them to different countries and their currencies. Divisibility test. Divisibility by 2. A number which is divisible by 2 is an even number. Numbers which end in 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are even numbers. Example: 2, 4, 8, 38, 68, 360, 1468, 2890, 8772, etc. Divisibility by 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. Example: 987 is divisible by 3 because 9 plus 8 plus 7 is equals to 24, which is divisible by 3. Kids IQ: what is the relation between the number 2, 3 and 6? What is the relationship between 3, 6 and 9? Divisibility by 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by the sum of tens and units is divisible by 4 or if the tens and units digits are both zeros. Example: 124, 528, 900, 1460, etc. Divisibility by 5. A number is divisible by 5 if the last digit of it is 0 or 5. Example: 25, 80, 120, 565, 2585, 4200, etc. Divisibility by 6. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by 2 and 3. Example: consider the number 528. It is divisible by 2 because it has even number in units place. 5 plus 2 plus 8 is equals to 15, which is divisible by 3. So, 528 is divisible by 6. Divisibility by 9. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digit is divisible by 9. Example: 3897 is divisible by 9 because 3 plus 8 plus 9 plus 7 is equals to 27, which is divisible by 9. Divisibility by 10. A number is divisible by 10 if it ends in one or more zeros. Example: 80, 360, 5800, etc. Teacher's note: introduce students with the concept of divisibility rules with the help of tables. Geometrical shapes: semicircle, circle, rectangle, triangle, oval, square, hexagon, pentagon, cube, cylinder, cuboid. Kids IQ: what is the shape of your book? What is the shape of your favorite ball? Your lunchbox is in which shape and color? Teacher's note: let's talk about some more geometrical shapes live illustrations and examples such as chalk is in the shape of a cylinder. Directions: north, south, west, east, northwest, southwest, southeast, northeast. Names of directions in English and Hindi: north, uttar, south, dakshin, east, purab, west, paschim, northeast, ishan, northwest, vayavya, southeast, aganya, southwest, Nerutya. Kids IQ: who sits to the right of you in the class? In which direction the teacher stands and dictates? Where is your bag kept in the classroom? Teacher's note: introduce students with the concept of directions and its kinds with the help of illustrations. Remember the tables of column 1 and fill in the missing numbers. 1 is done for you. 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s, 6s, 7s, 8s, 9s, 10s. Kids IQ: what is the relation between the numbers 2, 3 and 6? What is the relationship between 3, 6 and 9? Teacher's note: introduce students with the concept of divisibility rules with the help of the tables. IQ test. Children, reward for you. If you solve 10 out of 10, excellent. If you solve 6 out of 10, good. If you solve 8 out of 10, very good. If you solve less than 6, average. Now be ready. Each question carry 2 marks. Fill in the blanks. Encircle the unmatched number in each row. Kids IQ: write the table of 12. What comes after 12 in the table of 4? What comes before 95 in the table of 19? Teacher's note: check students' IQ by providing different types of questions based on patterns.